It's an Ender 3, and today we're going to build it. There we go. The Ender 3, the first generation of this Ender series. This is the printer that I went for to start my 3D printing journey. Ooh, boy! So, base plate. Nice!
Nice!
Looks like it moves up and down, I guess. Power unit. Accessories and things. Power that I don't need. Traveling, motor. That's it. Some good stuff. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was, to be honest. Great, so this is everything that you need to build 3D printer. Let's clarify a couple things. I bought this secondhand for not a lot of money, but in an open box condition. So everything is actually pretty much perfect from everything that I can tell. I've never put together a 3D printer in my life. I have no idea what I'm doing, but it all seems relatively simple, hopefully. So, you know, if you spot anything that I'm doing wrong, please let me know in the comments down below. Start the time lapse. What's interesting is I'm the type of person that when I was a kid, whenever I got like Lego and all those kind of things, I didn't want to read the instructions. I just wanted to have a go myself. So often, you know, my Lego would turn out not exactly as the box would intended.
Lego sucks!
This, however, I know if I don't do it properly, first of all, nothing will fit together, and it won't print properly. So I have to kind of do my bit to make sure everything goes together 100%. Where is that?
5 minutes later.
Okay, stuff is happening. It's at this point where the printer is fully assembled and you need to do your first test print, and that comes with the printer, and in my case it was a little puppy. Guys, we're officially done. Let's see if we can break it off. This is the first ever print. Turned out pretty good, I think. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm about to break it. There we go. The first print. Oh. Well, there you go, guys. That's my first ever print. It took a while. I think there's some things to learn, definitely. But thank you so much for sticking around. I really appreciate it. I'm going to bed now because it's midnight or like 1 AM or something like that. I'm super tired, and I'll see you guys all in another video.